My name is Makohon-Moore. I'm the 6th grade science teacher here at DE. So welcome to the 6th grade experimental design fair. Students have been working almost a full 2 months in learning about what they're really interested in and then also creating science experiments.
For our project, we did the different melting points of chocolate. For our chocolate, we've realized that the higher the lactose in the chocolates, the faster it melts.
We were checking if video game reaction times actually help you. First, it started off as a joke, but we figured out how to proceed this and make it into the experiment it is today.
So they've gone through the entire process of figuring out a question, coming up with their hypothesis, they've experimented, and now they've analyzed their data. And then they've also talked about, how they can contribute to society.
A lot of people suffer from something called pill dysphagia, which is the inability to swallow pills. It affects around 40% of adults and 25% of kids.
My group EDP project is about reaction time and how it's different. It's changed from different distractions, like visual distractions or audible distractions. We tested it with a reflex dropping game, where you hold the game and then bars drop. And with the research, we learned about different parts of the brain and how it worked with reaction time and how it dealt with reaction time. Like the prefrontal cortex helps you filter out things that you don't need to focus on a task.